how do we integrate the right side and the left side of the brain. So when we look at it from a brain level, our left brain is all about being in order. It's about being logical. It's about being linear. It's about being literal, and it's about being linguistic. And as the book says, it likes the fact that all these start with the letter L, right? Very much orderly. Then we have the right side of the brain is completely the opposite. The right side of the brain is about wholeness. It's about nonverbal. It's about emotions. It's about feelings. It's about personal memories, okay? So really the opposite of what the left side is, so logical and so orderly. Now in the first 3 years of life, a child is functioning mostly on right brain function. Okay, really all about emotionality, about feelings, about, you know, just being in the moment. There's not a lot of logic there. And then after the age of 3, when your child starts asking a lot of why questions, why this, why that, but why, that's when you know that the left side of the brain is starting to develop, right? The logic, the order, needing it to understand, that side is starting to develop, and that's usually after the age of 3. So that gives you an idea also when a child is, you know, losing their mind about something, how, you know, there's nothing wrong with your child. This is developmentally where they need to be because the left side of the brain hasn't yet fully developed. What I like in the book is that they explain life almost like a stream of wellness, and that if you want to be on this stream of wellness, there's 2 banks on either side. One is the bank of chaos, which they link to the right brain, and then the other side of the bank is rigidity, which would be linked to the left side of the brain. And that our brain, has to navigate within that stream to stay within that stream of wellness and not go to either side of those banks. So we want to be able to integrate both sides, and as they explain it, you don't want to be swimming with just one arm because you're just going to go in circles or you're going to hit one of the banks, okay? So we don't want our children to function fully with their left brain where there'll be only logic and zero emotionality and zero feelings, and we don't want our child also to function fully from emotions and fully from feelings and forget about the logical aspects. We really want an integration of both because that helps the child be so much more balanced and become a much better balanced adult as well. So the book mentions 2 strategies in order to help integrate the brain horizontally, so right brain, left brain. So one of them is name it to tame it, right? Name the emotion in order to tame the emotion. And the other one is connect and redirect. And we're going to look at these 2 different techniques together. They do mention other techniques throughout the book, but I did pick out some of the main techniques that you can apply, you know, most likely immediately, but if you want to read further and get more explanation or other techniques, definitely look into getting the book so that you can find out more information.